Hi traders, this is Terry from HarmonicForex. Wishing you guys a great morning, Monday morning. And as you guys know, the market has already opened. Just want to give you guys some updates on what happened over the weekend, and also to share with you some upcoming, harmonic setups in the market. And of course, till the very end, I'll be talking about some awesome promotions that we have lined up for you. So, first and foremost, I just want to talk about last Saturday. Uh, we had our SG50, basic forex training course, and Boon Hui was actually the chairing the whole session. For the first time ever in Harmonic Forex history, we had a full house of about 50 students, going for this basic forex training class. So the deal is really awesome. Our participants get to enjoy 2 months of our signal service under Harmonic Forex Signal Service (HSS), and they get to attend a full day of class, from 9 to 5 for our basic forex training, and everything all in is only at Sing dollar $50. So if you guys happen to be interested, please check out this URL here, harmonicforex.com/sg50, and you'll get to attend next week's class on Saturday. If you like the deal, and if you want a good education in building a fundamentals in forex, this is one of the best deals out there in Singapore. Okay, before I move on to the market, I just want to share with you guys about what happened 2 weeks ago in Invest Fair. We actually hired an awesome photographer, Mr. Sebastian, to take some photos for us, and this was what happened on stage. 3 years in the business, it was the first time ever that my mom actually came down and hear me speak. So during the session, I took the opportunity to get the crowd, everybody in the audience, to give my mom a round of applause. I really am very grateful to her, for allowing me to do whatever I want in my life, and I can just see her, the emotional happiness in her face. And I'm just glad that as of today, I'm able to do what I love and continue to give my family a good life, and continue to make profits off the market and inspire others to do the same. So just want to thank everybody for the support over the past few years, and we couldn't be where we are today without your support. Thank you very much, everybody. Okay, back to the market. This week is an interesting week. Last week was even more interesting. The euro dollar, the most traded currency out there in the market, went from a low of 1.1 all the way to 1.17. There was a 700 pips move up, followed by a decline of about 500 pips. So short-term traders might actually been hit pretty hard because of these wild swings. But just to share the bigger picture, euro is looking like an official uptrend. We have a lower low, a nice low, a lower high. No, I mean a low high, higher low, higher high, and if everything goes well, we might be seeing a higher low on euro dollar this week. Is this the level that we are watching? Maybe not. Let me share with you a harmonic setup that you can actually trade, and this one might be an awesome setup for guys who are not into the market yet. Okay, what I see is a potential bullish bet pattern. This is an impulse move, and the first criteria for this XAB move is that the retracement has to be around at least 38.2%. So what we have here is a first triangle. Okay, so this week, what we are really watching is for the price to come down close to this zone. Let me draw in some more lines. Okay, let me change the colors. Okay, if the euro dollar comes down to around 1.108 to 1.11 zone, this green little zone here, we might have a high probability buy. Yeah, stop loss will have to go about maybe 40 pips below this 1.10 level, so it will be around 1.0960 for the stop loss. As this is a uptrending pair, profit target will be left open, but for those conservative traders, consider taking some profits around this 1.15 level. This will be an awesome potential trade setup that we will all be watching here at Harmonic Forex, and we'll keep you guys updated via our Harmonic Signal service. Okay. Next setup is on the sterling against the Aussie dollar. Okay, last weekend, I actually alerted our inner circle. Let me share with you what happens there. This inner circle is only for our RTM graduates, graduates of our advanced course. So what I posted out last Friday, August 28th, was that this trade, sterling Aussie, it has hit a very nice zone for potential buying. As you can see, back then it was 2.1540, and as of today, it has gone up to 2.1590. Yep. So is it too late to make a move on this trade? This is a bad setup, same as the euro dollar. So if you have missed the trade setup, this is what you should think about for every single trade that you take. From a low here, stop loss 2.1250, for example. This setup, you will probably be risking about 330 pips, but potentially minimally you will make about 460 on this setup. So at least it's about 1:1.3 kind of a risk to reward return for this setup. Because it's a very bullish pair, I will be leaving my profit target open potentially till the 2.26 zone. So this is potentially 1,000 pips for me, risking 300 over pips. 1:3 risk to reward. This is something that I will keep. If 300 pips you are uncomfortable, two things you can do. One is to skip the trade. Second one is to really size your position smaller, much smaller, so that even if you happen to take a loss on this trade, you wouldn't lose more than 2% of your equity. This is the way to look at trading. It's not like taking a standard or 5 standards every single time you open a trade. It has to depend on the setup, the time frame you are trading at, and of course the potential rewards. Yep. So sterling Aussie, this is an awesome setup. Even if you enter at the current market price, put your stop loss at least 300 pips below at about 2.125. Yep. So there's a sterling Aussie for you. 1:3 potential risk to reward. Last but not least, I want to look at let me pick a few. Okay, just let me cover an index. Last week we saw the S&P drop from a 2,100 level all the way to 2007, which is a crazy move. Okay, this week for the S&P, we are officially at a resistance zone. Look at this zone here. Okay, best, potentially what it can do is that it might even drop a little bit, move up all the way to 2030 to 40 zone. This zone here. Okay, what I personally hope is that market will just fall from here and continue its bearish movement. But even if it goes down here, forms a higher low and goes all the way back up, we might be looking at a potential harmonic pattern forming, which is a very very high probability sell around 2100 level. So let me draw a map in this last zone here. Okay, so harmonics is very versatile. You can actually apply it on currencies, indices. We actually are only interested to catch the biggest move out of every 5 waves. It uses a little bit of Elliott waves. We look a lot on the price action inside this potential reversal zone, and it's actually a very very hands-free kind of trading where most of the time I will just be spending 5 to 10 minutes a day to look at the charts, and when I have a trade I'll put on an order, pending order. I can walk away to continue doing whatever things I like. So this is harmonics for me, and I really love it. It has changed my life, gave me a very good consistent income over the years, and I managed to build a business out of this trading system. Yeah. So before I finish this week's analysis, I just want to do a last call out for our harmonic forex trading class. Okay. The next ratio trading mastery class, which is our advanced harmonic class, is happening next Sunday, the 6th of September. For those of you guys interested, the dates are the following: 5th and 6th, Saturday and Sunday. 5th is for basics, and Sunday is for the harmonics. So we include 3 live trading sessions during our class, which is on the 9th, 16th and 23th, usually Wednesday nights. These are the time where most of the participants, they finish work, they come down for live trading session together, and we hope to actually help them to recoup their course fees during these live trading sessions. And gladly, some of the sessions we are really able to find awesome setups which help them to cover their course fee. Timing wise, for Saturday and Sunday, theory will be 9 to 6. Then for the practice session, the live trading sessions will be 7 to 9:30 p.m. If you guys are interested in this promotion, pay a deposit of $200. We will get in touch with you, and what we can do for you this time round for SG50 is that you have to invest $200 with us first, and we'll get back to you on some little discount that we can do for you because of SG50. Because of logistic issues, the last deadline will be on Wednesday, which is on the 2nd of September. Get back to us, make a payment by the 2nd of September, and we will tell you what other additional freebies we can throw in for you. This promotion will not be repeated anytime soon, and we just hope that for some of you guys which are on 50-50, you guys really think that harmonics is something that you like, but fees are a little bit expensive, the promotions are not that attractive. I just want to tell you that we are prepared to blow your mind. We are prepared to give you something that we have never given, and all we want you to do is to trust us and invest at least $200 with us, so that we can tell you what we can offer you. Part of our course is that we also offer our clients prop trading opportunities where we will allocate a 5-figure sum for our clients to trade. We will allow them to we absorb all their losses, and we will give them part of the profits whenever they win. So is this something that you are looking for? Do you want to potentially become a prop trader as a part-time job, while still keeping your day job income? Okay, for those of you guys who are looking for installment payments, is also available. 12 months installment for our course will only cost you about $200 a month, so it's definitely very, very affordable. Yep. What's most important thing is that this training program, it will last throughout the whole month of September, so 1 full month of training, and we allow you to come back for our classes every single quarter of the year. Overall, you will receive more than 100 hours of training with us, and you will get put into a community which is very, very active, and you get setups happening every single day. Do you like hand holding? Do you like mentorship? Do you like to be guided by professional traders who have been handling funds for the past few years? I really hope that you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope that you guys will join us in the upcoming class. For any inquiries, please feel free to drop us an email. I will put all these details in the description box below, and I hope to hear from you guys, and wish you guys an awesome trading week ahead.